Everyone, and welcome to another InstaForex daily market analysis. For today, I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I will speak about Bitcoin, dollar index, gold market, crude oil, and NASDAQ 100. I will start with USD versus Japanese yen first. So what we can see here is that we had a pin bar tail, the bullish buying tail from a couple of days ago, and there is a chance for rotation back towards a 20 or 50-day moving average. But what is interesting thing here is that we also had a break of the supply trend line. This is like the 4-hour time frame, and you can see here that this was after that like a couple of days consolidation, and market is had a break to the upside today, and there is a good chance for the upside to continue. I'll say protective stop based on DCT at 154 and potential objective. So we have around 157, 157, even 157.50 mark. So plenty of potential for reward. It's a relatively limited risk on this idea to the upside. Now the Bitcoin against dollar, we had quite a big selling tail yesterday. Seems like market is building more like and reacting from supply trend line. So on the bottom right corner, you can see here the supply trend line is right there. It's pretty. So we had the test of that. We had a doji candle after 2 weeks, back-to-back higher weeks. So there is a chance for further downside movement. Seems like buyers are losing momentum at this point, and the chance for the retest of 63,300 is present, and maybe even lower towards the 60,000 mark. On the gold market, we still have a consolidation. We have more like a balancing environment in the last couple of days, just around the flat 50 and 20-day moving average. So we'd like to see the breakout here, either to the down, breakout support at 2,350 for a further drop towards 2,290, or the break of resistance at 2,405, potential retest at 2,429. Again, overall, we are in quite a big consolidation in the last couple of months. So watching also for the bigger consolidation breakout. On the crude oil, we see the week to week, we have lower highs and lower lows. And this is a sign of the short-term downside environment. Daily time frame, there was a re-break of this tail. So seems like sellers are in control at this point. Normal reaction up, So the next pivot level based on the weekly time frame is around 75.50 and all the way down to 72.75. So there is a chance for the full retest of this support zone. And on the NASDAQ 100, we can see that we had a drop in the last 2 weeks or so, week to week, lower highs, lower lows. And most recently here, last couple of days, we have a consolidation. So the re-break of 18,740 can be a good sign for the drop towards 18,000 mark, 18,200. From another side, if we see the upside breakout of this balance, we have a resistance at 19,400, 19,500 area. So short term, obviously downside is present. Last 2 weeks, week to week, we have lower highs and lower lows, and so far consolidation of daily time frame. That will be all for this InstaForex daily market analysis. Have a good trading day and speak.